I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook watch history. So if you're on an Android or an Apple device, it may be a little bit different, but let's go to our Facebook and you just want to find your way or navigate to your settings if you're on an Android or iPhone. So let's go to the three bars at the top left-hand corner, and we want to go down to where it says settings and privacy and just go ahead and click on settings. So once this loads up, you want to scroll down and we're going to go all the way down until we find where it says your activity and go ahead and click on activity log. And from here, what we can do is go ahead and stay at the very top where it says your Facebook activity. Go ahead and hit the drop down menu on the far right side. And then you want to go to posts. So go ahead and hit that drop down menu from posts. So it won't be here directly. You will have to hit see more and you're just going to have more options here. And you want to go down to where it says videos you watched. And from here, this is just going to give you all of the videos that you've watched on your Facebook account. If you want to go ahead and delete specific ones, go ahead and hit those three dots on the far right side, and you'll get an option to hit delete. You can go back and rewatch these if you want, but if you want to clear all of the history, at the very top, it does say clear video watch history, and then it will ask you if you're sure. Go ahead and clear it, and then that's it. It's super simple. It's super easy. The more videos you have, it will take a little bit to get rid of, but that's it. Super easy.